An iPad on its own is powerful, but with the right accessories, it can replace your laptop, become your art studio, your travel hub, or your productivity powerhouse. In 2025, accessory makers have gone all out, from smart keyboard cases to powerful chargers. And we tested 5 of the best. Let's break them down. If you want to ditch your laptop, the EIP Magnetix keyboard case makes it possible. This isn't just a snap-on keyboard, it's an entire productivity station. The detachable backlit keyboard feels responsive, with enough travel to make typing long emails or essays comfortable. The adjustable stand let me tilt it upright for Zoom calls and angle it lower when sketching in Procreate. One of the coolest features is the patented stylus shortcuts. With just a tap, you can access functions like eraser or screenshot without digging into menus, which made note-taking during meetings so much faster. It works with the iPad Air 11M3/M2 models and the iPad Pro 11 first to 4th generation, but not the latest Pro M4. In testing, it turned my iPad into a true laptop replacement for writing, work, and even light design projects. Best for students, remote workers, or creatives who want their iPad to double as a laptop. Not everyone needs a full keyboard setup. Sometimes you just need a flexible stand. The EIP adjustable hinge case is hands down the most versatile stand I tested. With its rotating hinge, I could instantly flip the iPad from portrait mode for reading PDFs and ebooks to landscape for Netflix or presentations. This came in clutch during flights when I wanted to prop it up on the tray table. The removable magnetic cover gave me the option to strip it down to a lightweight shell when I didn't need full protection. Add in auto wake, charge, sleep, and compatibility with dual device setups, like propping it up as a side display for my MacBook. And this became my go-to case. Best for multitaskers, readers, and anyone who constantly switches between work and entertainment. Carrying an iPad naked in your backpack is risky, and that's where the EIP tablet sleeve bag shines. It's designed for 9 to 11-inch tablets and fits not only the iPad Air and Pro models, but also other tablets like the Pixel tablet, Kindle Scribe, and even Surface Go. I liked the padded interior, which gave enough protection to toss it into a bag without worry. The extra compartments fit my charger, stylus, and even my AirPods, which turned it into a compact all-in-one travel kit. The shoulder strap made it easy to carry around campus or while commuting. And compared to generic sleeves, this one just felt more tailored. Slim profile, no wasted bulk. Best for commuters, frequent flyers, or students who want their iPad setup organized and protected. Apple's Pencil is amazing, but it's expensive. The EIP Pencil 2 offers nearly the same precision at a fraction of the price. It attaches magnetically to the iPad, charges wirelessly, and has 0.1mm precise tips, which actually lasted longer in testing than the stock Apple Pencil tips. Writing in Notability felt smooth with almost no lag, and drawing in Procreate gave me the same pressure sensitivity I expect from premium styluses. For note-taking, the extra durable tips were the game changer. I didn't feel like I'd burn through replacements so quickly. Best for students, digital artists, or anyone who wants Apple Pencil performance without the Apple Pencil price. And finally, power. The Anker Prime 100-watt GAN charger is the accessory you didn't know you needed until you travel. With 3 USB-C ports, I charge my iPad, iPhone, and MacBook all at once, and none of them slowed down. It's built on GAN technology, so despite the 100-watt output, it's smaller than Apple's 67-watt brick. The foldable plug made it travel-friendly, and it stayed cool even after powering multiple devices. This one accessory replaced 3 separate chargers in my bag. Best for power users and travelers who need one compact charger for everything: iPad, laptop, and phone. So those are the best iPad accessories of 2025. With the right setup, your iPad can easily go from an entertainment device to a productivity beast. We've linked the best prices in the description below. Which accessory would you add to your setup? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews. Your iPad deserves more than just a case. It deserves a full upgrade.